Sublimation printing on wood. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button to get updated on our recent and upcoming videos. Paint your wood with the decored acrylic paint. Continue until the whole surface has been painted. Step 2. Coat your wood with a sublimation coat or a clear wood sealant. Apply 2 to 3 coats and wait for 2 to 4 hours for it to dry. Ideally, you will need more than 12 hours for it to fully dry. Step 3. Print your design on your sublimation paper using a sublimation printer. Step 4. Set your heat press to 380 degrees at 60 seconds. Step 5. Align your printed image with your wood face down. Step 6. Place a butcher paper on top of your sublimation paper to protect your heat press. Step 7. Apply your heat press with medium pressure. Step 8. Let it cool down. Step 9. Peel off the sublimation paper from your wood. And there you have it, your very own sublimation printed wood. You may also use this technique for photographs or keepsakes for your own memories at home. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates on our upcoming videos.